Tunnels are essential for transportation, utilities, and water management, but urbanization, logistics, and geological conditions also pose significant challenges during construction. Proper planning and risk management are crucial for success. Sika offers a full range of grouting solutions to stabilize soft soils and fault zones in hard rock tunnels, ensuring safer and faster excavation. During excavation and construction, we provide a versatile range of solutions for all types of TBM and any geology, including foams, polymers, additives, backfill grouts, soil conditioners, tail seal greases, admixtures for precast segments, cast in situ lining and sprayed concrete, and rail fixing grouts. Additionally, our anchoring systems, from cementitious options to immediate strength development resin-based solutions, ensure reliable rock support. For tunnel waterproofing, Sika has a proven track record dating back to 1910. Our portfolio includes the innovative, fully bonded Sika-proof TPO systems, traditional Sikaplan loose-laid PVC and TPO sheet membrane systems, and the liquid-applied Sikalastic 245 membrane, meeting all project requirements. For tunnel maintenance and refurbishment, Sika provides corrosion and fire protection systems and repair mortars. To further ensure long-term durability, customers can also install our concrete monitoring system to observe concrete conditions throughout the tunnel's lifetime. Sika, your trusted partner in tunnel projects.